Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the professional Brazilian keratin treatment by Keratin Research. This powerful kit delivers smooth and straight hair that stays beautiful for up to 6 months. The formula uses argan oil and coconut oil to provide stunning shine and deep moisture. You receive a large treatment bottle, plus essential sulfate-free shampoos and conditioners for total care. Our express formula means you get instant results without waiting 3 days to wash your hair. Experience advanced frizz control and heat protection while strengthening your hair from the inside out. Transform your daily routine and enjoy silky hair with this all-in-one professional smoothing solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.